Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your eBay store to vacation mode. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here, we are going to see this eBay article on how you can manage your time away or just setting up your eBay to the vacation mode or way. So simply we will be needing just to go to the account settings, and from there we will be able to uh, schedule or set up the time away. So let's simply go to our eBay. From there, you'd find like either selling, and from here you will be able to go to accounts settings. So basically, those are things that you can do, customization and stuff. So we want just to simply go to account settings, and it will go from here. Now in the selling place, we will find the seller dashboard, seller account, and basically you can go to your seller account, and from here you'll find some information. The seller dashboard will just simply take you uh, to your own seller dashboard or the seller hub. So basically you will need just to search for the time away. So you will need just to be a seller, and you will find the time away, and from here you will need just to schedule time away, and basically time away will be your vacation mode. So here you can pause the item sales while on time away. You can also configure or set up the behavior of your time away, and from here you add the start date of your vacation mode and the end of date. Then you will need just to click on apply, and basically that's it. You can also, even if you are on the time away, you can allow item sales while on time away and do whatever you'd like. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.